Hello everyone, this is the analysis of the legal aptitude portion of LST Mock Test 9, which is based on the CLAT pattern. This section had 50 questions, out of which 35 questions were legal reasoning questions and the next 15 questions were legal knowledge based questions. The reasoning questions had a couple of cluster questions, but apart from that, mostly the questions were multiple principle based questions. So let's have the analysis of all the reasoning questions. And in this question, the two principles, they're talking about the vicarious liability of the master. The first principle talks about the employers are vicariously liable for negligent acts or omissions by their employees in the course of employment. The second principle says that for an act to be considered within course of employment, it must either be authorized or be so connected with the authorized act that it can be considered a mode, although an improper mode of performing it. So in the facts, Mahesh is employed by TY Petroleum Company to drive a petrol tanker. Now one day, while transferring petrol from his tanker to an underground storage tank, he lights up a cigarette with a matchstick and throws the matchstick, which is still alight, onto the ground. An explosion ensues, causing damage to the garage. Can TY Petroleum Company be held vicariously liable for Mahesh's act? So, if we see that the work that he was doing was so connected with the authorized act. The authorized act was taking the petrol, driving the petrol tanker and getting the petrol transferred to the destination. So, that was his authorized act. Now, the act that he did of lighting the matchstick, it was so connected with his authorized act because he was standing then and there when the petrol was being transferred from the tank to the underground storage tank. So it was so connected with the authorized act that it would be considered an improper mode of performing it. So hence his act would be considered within the course of employment, and because of this the employers would be vicariously liable as per principle 1. So therefore we can hold the company liable for Mahesh's act. Hence, option A would be the correct answer.